Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, we will try to understand what is computer language, or moreover, we can also say that what is programming language in alternative terms. So first we will try to understand that what is computer language, and then we'll try to understand why computer language is required. So let's start understanding what is computer language. In our world, communication is the medium through which we can express our ideas to others, right? To communicate with other people, we need a language like Bengali, Hindi, English, etc. Similarly, a programmer needs a language to communicate with the computers. So these are called the computer languages, right? And computer language is an interface between a computer and human beings. It is a set of words or symbols and codes that the computer can understand, and it is used to write our computer programs. A computer language, also known as programming language, is a formal language comprising a set of instructions that produce various kinds of output. These instructions are used to create software program which is control the behavior of computer or other programmable device. Computer languages allow programmer to communicate with computers by providing a way to express algorithm, data structure, and instruction in a format that the computer can understand and it can execute. There are numerous programming language or computer languages are available, each with its own syntax, semantics, and purposes, and they are tailored for different types of applications and domains. Some popular programming languages includes Python, Java, C++, JavaScript, and many other languages are available. Computer languages are available. Each language has its own strengths and weaknesses, and the choice of languages often depends on the factor such as the requirement of the project or performance considerations and the preference of the development team. So if we'll talk about the term programming, so this term programming means to create or to develop a software, which you also call the program. In basic term, software contains the instruction that tells a computer what to do, or it's a computerized device which tells that what to do. Software is all around you, even in devices that you might not think would need it. Of course, you expect to find and use software on personal computer, but software also play a crucial role in running aeroplanes, cars, cell phones, even toasters. On personal computer, you use word processor to write the documents, web browser to explore the internet, and email program to send and receive messages. These programs are all examples of softwares. Software developers actually create software with the help of powerful tool, which is actually called the programming languages. There are many programming languages are available, some of which are decades old. Each language was invented for a specific purpose, to build on the strength of previous language, for example, or to give the programmer a new or unique set of tools. Knowing that there are so many programming languages available, it would be nature for you to wonder which is the best, but in truth there is no best language. Okay, each one has its own strength and weaknesses. So experienced programmers know that one language might work well in some situation, whereas a different language may be more appropriate in other situations. So for this reason, experienced programmer try to master as many different languages as possible they can, giving them access a vast area of software development tool. If you learn to program using one language, you should find out it easy to pick up other languages as well. The key is to learn how to solve problems using a programming approach. This is the main theme of the programming language, this is the main theme of this tutorial series. Okay, so I hope you understood that what is computer language or programming language. In the next video, we will try to understand that why computer language is required. In this video we already discussed our overview that what is computer language or programming language. In the next video we'll try to understand points one by one so that you can take the notes for your examination or for better understanding purpose. Okay, so thanks for watching this one. See you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.